Hello, bread lovers! Today, we're diving into the hearty and flavorful world of German rye bread, or Roggenbrot, as the locals call it. If you love bread with a deep, rich flavor and a chewy texture, then German rye bread is for you. Perfect for sandwiches or simply topped with butter, this bread is a staple in German cuisine and is sure to add some delicious variety to your baking adventures. Let's get started. German rye bread has a long history, dating back to the Middle Ages, when rye was a common grain in Northern Europe. Because of the cold climate, wheat didn't grow well, so rye became the go-to grain for bread making. Rye bread quickly became a symbol of German culture and sustenance. In fact, during the 19th century, German immigrants brought rye bread recipes to America, where it became a beloved staple, especially in areas with large German communities. Now, let's talk ingredients. The star of this bread is, of course, rye flour. But to give it structure and a lighter texture, you'll often find it combined with wheat flour. Other key ingredients include water, yeast, and salt. But what really sets German rye bread apart is the addition of sourdough starter, which gives it that signature tangy flavor and dense crumb. German rye bread comes in many delicious forms. You've got pumpernickel, a dark, dense bread that's baked slowly for a rich, almost sweet flavor. Then there's Mischbrot, a mix of rye and wheat flour that's lighter, but still packed with flavor. And let's not forget Vollkornbrot, a whole-grain rye bread that's hearty, nutty, and full of fiber. If you're in Germany, you'll find amazing rye bread at local bakeries across the country. In Berlin, check out Bäumer and Ludum, known for its organic, artisanal breads. In Munich, Hofpfisterei is a must-visit for traditional rye bread made with natural sourdough. If you're in the U.S., Zingerman's Bakehouse in Michigan is famous for its authentic German rye bread, offering a taste of Germany without the airfare. And that's the secret to creating authentic German rye bread. Whether you're baking it at home or enjoying a slice from your favorite bakery, this bread is all about deep flavor and hearty texture. So next time you're craving something a little different, give German rye bread a try. You won't be disappointed. But before that, do not forget to hit the subscribe button